Now? Okay. So what we're doing now is we're talking about dotted eighth notes. And a dot following a note is always going to increase the value of that note by half of its value. So if it's following an eighth note, we know an eighth note is worth 2/16 notes. So the dot that follows that eighth note is representing an extra 16th note of space or size. So in this grouping, the dotted eighth note, the eighth note is worth 2/16 notes, which is 1E. The dot is a 16th note, which is the and of that 4-note grouping, 1E and, right? So now we have the 1E as the eighth note. The dot represents the and then the is written out as the last note of that 2-note grouping. And playing it would be 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and. So I'm going 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So that is happening a 16th note before the dropping of your foot, which is your cadence, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, right? So first we're going with the 1, and if we're hearing that cycle of 16th note pulse, which is something that you should be counting in your head or even out loud, you're counting it as 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. So you can accent the count on the 1 and the which are the 2 notes out of the 4 that you're actually playing, but you can silently count the E and the and just to keep the spacing of those notes, right? And I'll do it again one more time. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 1. And notice, and you want to notice not only how that sounds, but how it feels with your hand dropping that 16th note before the downbeat of your cadence, the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. So it's 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. All right?
Mm-hmm.